Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get the Uber Eats promo code that helped me save a ton of money on my Uber Eats order for free. How to get it? It's super simple. First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. The next step is to simply open your browser and follow my instructions. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Uber Eats. Click on it, scroll down, and you'll find the available promo codes. From there, select the Uber Eats option. Sometimes the $100 option runs out and you'll only see $50. But if you're lucky, the higher value might still be available. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. Keep in mind that these codes are limited, so you'll need to unlock your personal code to prevent others from using it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video, share it, and enjoy. See you in the next one.